This is the Maker's Lab.
This is the Maker's Lab. Wow.
This is effectively the heart of Innovation Fest, which is where we keep a lot of our fancy toys, such as our 3D printer, resin printer, a bunch of different projects we've got, past, present, including some of our last year like finalists from Innovation Fest. Currently, what we've got going on is our resin printer producing this nice little sculpture / holder.
So we're actually printing something right now.
Yep. So what you see in blue on the screen, that is what is actually being printed. It's got 3 stages. It goes through the printer here, which is going to take another hour and 16 minutes.
An hour and 16 minutes.
It's going to run 666 cycles.
Okay.
Once that finishes, we're going to put it through an isopropyl alcohol wash. Do not drink it. Wrong type of alcohol.
Don't drink that alcohol, kids.
And then we put it through here, which is a UV heat lamp essentially, which finishes it. And it's hot enough that you really don't want your hand in there.
Okay,
so,
cool.
No point in your fingers in any of this part.
So in an hour and 15 minutes, we're going to come back, and then hopefully we'll have our
nice little sculpture sitting here waiting for us to.
The anticipation is killing me right now. I can't contain myself. I'm going to have to leave. I think.
Okay, go ahead, George. Leave.
I might have to take a few moments. No, I'll try my best to carry on.
Amazing.
Overall, this would probably take about 5 hours to produce that.
5 hours.
That single piece.
Okay.
Let's get comfy.
We're gonna have to wait a long time for this 3D printing.
That's okay.
Look at that
Perfectly
It's
timed
done.
along.
It's done.
That's a fair reaction.
So, wow, amazing! Look, it's done! Wow! Well done, printer. So it's printed.
It's finished. Yeah.
It's finished. Now
Now
we're
what?
rich.
Now, we're actually going to put it through the alcohol wash. We've got the bit loose first. Put it over here. Just locks in there nicely. Into the alcohol it goes.
See you
This
later.
process probably going to take us about 20 minutes.
So our 3D printing is finally finished. We have
Yep.
waited, God knows how many hours.
5, nearly 6 hours, 5.5,
6 hours. And finally we can see what we've initially printed.
Open it up and take a look.
Let's do it, Richard. Wow, look at that!
Big unveiling.
Big unveiling.
Which was cool enough I can actually touch it. Don't want to burn myself.
That's really cool.
As we can see, we've got all the little support structures in to help it print. Now what we can do is go get a pair of cutters and we just snip away the bits we don't need anymore.
That's so cool.
And then we have our nice little holder design.
So what is it?
It is a
It's
support
whatever you want it
for
to.
someone's
It's
project.
whatever you want it to be, George.
Ending to use it.
Right,
Yeah.
Whoa!
Maybe not quite that sturdy, but
So this is just one of the many things that you could do
Yep.
on a 3D printer, I guess. Like you could basically do anything you want.
yep. We have students who are on sort of the graphics courses and the design courses where they'll design all the stuff. And then of course we've got innovation students which are doing their final projects and whatever they need designing. We've got technicians and staff around here who can help design specific things for your model.
Amazing. Out of this world, isn't it? It's just
This was on a computer screen like just a few hours ago. Now it's
in your hand.
yeah.